we researched about recycling and how we can help make it better at Catlin. The issue that we tackled and discussed is that about 25% of all recycling is too contaminated because there are things that should not be recycled ending up in recycling bins and ruining that recycling bin. A New York Times article said that a certain facility found things like animal carcasses or artillery shells, which are pretty extreme. But it just goes to show what can end up in those recycling bins. These materials can ruin entire loads of recyclable material, which obviously is a waste of material, and can pose a danger hazard to those facilities that are trying to recycle things, which, if severe enough, can cause those facilities to shut down. Now, according to the EPA, 10 to 20% of an organization's total greenhouse gas emissions are probably from waste, which is a pretty significant amount. So, by helping recycle better, we can help improve that 20%. To quantify how much carbon we could save by decontaminating our recycling bins, we found how much a person can offset just from recycling. So, according to scrap recycling, a person can offset 903 kilograms of carbon each year, which is a lot. If 25% of that does not end up being recycled, it would probably be more than that because the contamination also ruins other batches that are at the recycling facility. So 25% is like a bare minimum. About 225 kilograms of carbon that could be saved will not be saved. So, since our upper school, just our upper school, has roughly 300 students, and we decontaminate our recycling bins, that would make it so that we can offset 300 times 225 kilograms, or 67,500 kilograms of carbon from being emitted every year, just by simply decontaminating our recycling bins.
And in response to the carbon statistics mentioned earlier, our solution was to incorporate CNCs to help clean out the recycling bins on a weekly basis around campus, and which is very similar to the barn and lunch duty that we currently have. So this will kind of help with cleaning out contaminated trash from recycling bins and making sure excess carbon is not released when disposing of this waste. And along with this, we can hope to get the community engaged with this and also add more opportunities for people to help reduce the carbon emissions. And yeah, thank you for listening.